Good evening everyone. How are yours? So I explained already that mathematics. After that I did comedy also. That many students ask me. So not only that, they continue the subjects. So that's why today I am going to explain about science. The science is 10th class topic atoms, molecules. So atoms, molecule in the structure of atom. In the topic structure of atom. In the structure of atom, in the 10th class, the basics and the main level I am going to explain that. Main basics, important basics. So what is that basics? Means here the structure of atom, atoms and molecules. So for example, this is hydrogen, H2. Why it is hydrogen H2? And Cl2, I2, F2. Why? Because diatomic elements. Why? Because it is a diatomic elements. So atoms are different and atoms are different and compounds different, elements are different. I told already, two or more elements combined to form a compound is known as chemical combination. Two or more means sulfur reaction with oxygen to form a sulfur dioxide. So what are the two or more elements combined to form a compound? This is one of the topics. Okay. Then structure of atom, the lesson is that first starting that nucleus, center and electrons. So what is this? Is a nucleus, is a center. So electrons are revolving. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. So who discovered electron first? So electrons are discovered J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Who discovered proton? Goldstein. Who discovered neutron? So protons is different, neutrons different. Neutron is Chadwick. Who discovered neutron is Chadwick. This is basics. Electrons are negatively charged. Protons are positively charged. Neutrons are neutrals. Means there is no charges. There is, after that here, explain about scientists. Electrons are revolve around the nucleus in a particular orbit. The electrons are revolve around the nucleus particular orbit. So one scientist explained. Another scientist explained electrons are revolve around the nucleus in a particular orbit. It jumping from lower energy to higher energy. Then who said about this? Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr explained this. So that's why, and the main topic is the 10th class structure of atom. Niels Bohr. Electrons are revolve around the nucleus in a particular orbit. This is the nucleus, suppose, and thus revolving around. Then this is jumping from lower energy to higher energy. At that time, they lost their energy. Its orbit is known as stationary orbit. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-I. Stationary orbits. Why? Because it's a particular. In the topics after that, we'll explain out there are 4 quantum numbers are there. First quantum number is principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number. Third one is magnetic quantum number. Fourth one is spin quantum number. Who discovered first quantum number? Who discovered first quantum number? That person, Niels Bohr. That is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number discovered by Niels Bohr. Azimuthal quantum number discovered by Sommerfeld. Magnetic quantum number discovered by Landé. Spin quantum number discovered by Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. Two scientists are there. Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. So this first one, principal quantum number discovered Niels Bohr and after Sommerfeld also explained electrons are revolving, not a particular elliptical shape like this. Who said this is the Sommerfeld? Sommerfeld explained about this. Thereafter topics main orbitals. S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, F orbital. I am going to explain these topics generally. Main concept I am going to explain. Not today, main concept. S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, F orbital. There are 4. An S orbital contains 2 electrons. P orbital contains 6 electrons. D orbital contains 10 electrons. F orbital contains 14 electrons. What is this? Orbitals to find out electronic configuration. How to find out electronic configuration means you can see that. How to find out the electronic configuration. You can take any number. This number is Cl, means chlorine. Number is 70. Atomic numbers is the most important. Everyone should learn 1 to 30 at least. Atomic number, atomic weight and valence. So what is atomic number? Chlorine atomic number is 17. What is atomic weight of chlorine? 35.5. This is atomic weight. But electron configuration, we have to write this. Yes, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. This is order. What is order? 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. Why you are writing like this? One scientist explained about this. The scientist name is Moeller. Who's that? Moeller explained. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p order. This electron is occupied. First ns orbital number 17, no? 2 and 2, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10 over. Remaining 7. Again s orbital occupied 2. Then here you can write 5. So you can stop it. 4 the only. Count once just electron configuration. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. Yes, correct. You got it. This is called electronic configuration. How to find out electronic configuration of any element like this? Suppose number 20. What is the number 20? That is calcium, Ca. Do you know about calcium? It's a strongest of the bone. It's giving power. That's like it. Without calcium, bones strong. So that's why calcium is always supporting to bones. Will be strong. The person can fall down from some certain height. Nowadays, automatically breaking like this, different cracks or something that happen that because of weak of the bones. That's why everyone should send our body vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals. Without the food, the person is weak. That's why when will the person be strong? You can eat all these types of foods. Where is carbohydrates available? Carbohydrates are more in rice, potato, so like that. So this calcium, milk, egg. That's why everyone should. Students, the most important is especially you have to take the milk and eggs. The calcium will get strongest for the bone. So calcium is born brightly, it's giving white fumes. Once go to burial ground, that is Telugu Smasana Vatika. You should go there. Once observe there. White fumes are coming. You can see there some devils are moving. Don't feel like it. It's not a devils. Nothing. When our human body, the burning, crash, converted to ash. After ash, bones, burning, white fumes are coming. That's calcium. Now I'm going to explain about calcium electronic configuration. So same order, 1s, 2s, 2p and 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. This is order. Okay, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. Now we can write this s orbital 2 electrons, s orbital 2, p6, s orbital 2, p orbital 6. Count now. 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 18. Remaining 2 can write here. Then it's over. Then is 3D moment. This is electronic configuration of calcium. Understood? No? Not only calcium. What they will ask is the most important 10th class students, 2 marks. That's the must to 2 marks. In physics, objective are, the chemistry objective are, question answers are 2 marks are, CBSE, ICSE and IB, any syllabus is most important must do. Without this atomic structure, there is no atomic structure. That's the electronic configuration most important. You have to find out like this. So elements are there at least by heart 1 to 30 elements. The students, you can say that elements continue by heart. 1 to hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. That is 10. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. By heart like that, then you can say answer. For example, if I ask us, what is that? Number 18. Then you can say argon. What is the number 19? Potassium. Potassium, that's denoted by letter is K. Why that potassium? Potassium spelling P-O-T-A. So okay, starting P, but here K. Why? It's a Latin name, that is kalium. Latin name of the potassium, kalium. So like that's why it's the Latin names. Okay, so gallium. Then suppose I written here AZ. What is AZ? AZ means not agriculture. It is a silver. Silver is Argentina. The Latin names. Some elements scientists explain about that only the Latin names. In that electronic configuration, after that, we will find out what is meant by atomic radius. The distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell is known as atomic radius. How to find out atomic radius? Ionization energy means I, capital I and E, ionization energy. What is ionization energy? The minimum energy required to remove an electron from outermost shell. So the minimum energy required to remove an electron from outermost shell is known as ionization energy. Atomic radius, the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell is most important. And after electron configuration, this is the main basics of this atomic structure. Orbitals, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, and f orbital. Shape of s orbital, dumbbell shape. No, wrong. Tell anyone. S orbital is spherical shape. S orbital is spherical shape. D orbital and f orbital. I will do it. Okay. S orbital spherical. Okay. And p orbital. P orbital is dumbbell. So dumbbell means like this. Dumbbell. Will do this. Okay. So our students, nowadays 10th class students and intermediate students also exercise body. Okay. So my school student Vedant, if you are interested to join military, very good. First he is thinking, I want to go join this. That's it. That's why he is doing always exercise. The shape is dumbbell. What is P orbital? D orbital, double dumbbell. Okay. So like that shapes. S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, the shapes. Okay. So like this electronic configuration and that's atomic structures, orbitals, and forming the atomic ionization energy, and the scientists explain this. I told all of this before. Previous Niels Bohr, one more scientist explained. Who that drew the part. He also explained electrons are revolve around the nucleus in a particular orbit. So he is compared that planets around the sun. Planets, 9 planets are there around the sun. Same by the explained. After that, he told that two forces, centripetal force and centrifugal force. There's towards from the center, away from the center. So okay, this is about that atomic structure. So thank you very much. That's good students to understand. I hope that. Of course, maths also will explain. Please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.